Hey everyone, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Now today's video is a very exciting one. Basically, this is my first ever video filming with my brand new camera. That's right, I decided to invest, guys, and I got the Canon 80D. So if the settings are a bit weird, I'm so sorry. I've been playing around with the manual settings. I hope that this is kind of similar to my usual style, and if it's not, I'm so sorry. Bear with me. I'm still learning. I'm still trying my best. I'm still trying to grow. So please do bear with me. Now today's video is going to be all about a unboxing. I recently just got back from LA and I was out there with my friends Sal, Twee and Kwang. So we were all out there, and whilst I was away, basically I got quite a few packages in. So I thought, okay, why not? I've never done a video like this before. I thought I'd just show you some of the things that I get in the post. So yeah, I'm going to open them in front of you guys and hopefully you'll enjoy it. So if you want to see that, keep on watching. Alright guys, so let's just get straight into the video. I'm gonna go right in and grab something. What should I grab? Okay, so first one comes in this kind of package, and in here we have, oh my god, oh my gosh. Okay, so this is the brand new, I don't know if you guys can see this, but this is the YSL cleanser. Yeah, so it's an illuminating cleanser. Now I absolutely love YSL. It is more of a like luxury range, but I always feel like the products and the packaging are so like luxe, and I love that feeling. I love mixing like high-end with like drugstore. So there's also this product which is a makeup remover, and it's like a melting balm. So you guys know that I absolutely love like balmy products like this. If the focus is not amazing, again, I apologize. I might not have it on the right feature. Okay, neutral smell, nothing too crazy. I'm definitely going to be trying this out. And what else is in here? Oh yes! Okay, so YSL also released this product. It is the makeup setting spray. I've seen a few of my friends kind of like post this, so I'm dying to try this. I love a good setting spray. I always need a setting spray. I'm so oily, so this is definitely going to be something that I play with. And then in here as well is the eye fluid, and also the Instant Moisture Glow, which actually I already have this product. It's a moisturizer. It's so good. It just literally, I'm actually wearing it today, but whew, it's hot in here. I'm like oxidizing as we speak. Yeah, so that is our first package. I'm so excited because like these are all products that I've seen and I'm like, oh, I really want to try them. Alright guys, so next up is going to be another envelope like this, and in here we have, oh yes guys, it is my favourite lashes. So they are Ardell. My favourite ones that I kind of always use are Demi Wispies. So you've obviously seen me feature these. I didn't know this was coming actually, so it's a little bit of a restock, which is really cool. And, oh wow, this is awesome. So these are like a whole pack. How good is that, guys? I think this is really good, and usually this is like a really good kind of like, really good for your kit. Do you know what I mean? Like as a makeup artist, instead of having all these, like just having something like this, it's like boom, 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 done. And the fact that they're all Demi Wispies, oh, guys, these are the ones. These are the ones. So yeah, I don't know if you guys know, but recently I had the pleasure of working with Ardell, and Ardell Lashes has actually just grown into Ardell Beauty. And what's crazy is that they have now launched makeup. So they've now launched makeup, and they've got like a phase one, which is like many eye products, mascaras and stuff like that, and they've actually got more products coming soon. So I was so honoured to be one of the first makeup artists in the UK to have my hands on that makeup. Like that's just insane. And to be that person who was like doing a bit of a demo, show and teach, and talking about the new collection. So it means a lot, guys. It means a lot, honestly. It means a lot that little me like would even do something like that. But yeah guys, these are so cute. Obviously you've seen me use these, so you know you're gonna be seeing more of that. Alright, next up is gonna be another envelope. Oh, we have some information. Can anyone guess what this is? Oh my god guys, it is the MAC Hyper Real Glow. Guys, I'm just gonna say, obviously I used to work at MAC, and just the fact that I'm on the MAC PR list now is just so mind-blowing. Like, so mind-blowing. I can't believe that that MAC would send me a product. Like, it just blows my mind. And I just want to say, like, it's just, oh, I don't know how to describe it, but like, it's just so surreal that I'm here right now, like, talking about this. But yeah, if you want to know more about my MAC or like my MAC story, then please let me know in the comments box below if you want to hear more about that. I was with them for like 3 years, and I have to say, actually, I already have this product. And I actually really like it because it's basically 3 different highlighters that I build up, and they're all gold. So there's 2 different shades. There's a gold one and a more pinky one. I'd say the pinky one's more good for like medium to fairer skin tones, and this is maybe good for like medium to deeper. So I've already got this one, so I might actually do a giveaway with this or a little competition for you guys, because it's really good. I absolutely love this product. Okay, so next up we have this box. Ooh, what is in the box? What's in the box? Oh, okay, cute. Oh guys, look at this. I love PR packages like this. I feel like there's so much thought into it. Okay, so this is from LA Girl. And I don't know if you guys know LA Girl, but LA Girl was like a brand that's really famous for, kind of covered in confetti, but these are their LA Girl concealers. Everyone is always raving about them, and I would say that they are like more of a full coverage concealer, which is kind of liquid based, and you basically squeeze it. It comes in a little tube. So these are 2 different tones in nude and creamy beige. I think creamy beige looks like a really good color for me. And they also sent me their Pro Sponge, like their blending sponges, I can't even say that properly, and also a brush like this. And also, and I'm not sure if this is a new launch, guys, but they also sent me 3 shades of foundation, and this is called the Pro Matte HD High Definition Longwear Matte Foundation. So I don't think I've seen this before, guys. I don't know if I'm really late to the game, but this is what they look like. Definitely love trying out a new new foundation. And I've got the shades Sand, Soft Honey, and Light Tan. And I would say they all look like a really good kind of like my kind of shade. Usually sometimes it really bugs me when PR sends you one shade, because like we change color like from the summer to the winter. I'm obviously going to be more pale during the winter, and I would say that my face is normally like more pale than my body because I use like retinol and glycolic acid and I exfoliate. So yeah, I'm really happy when brands send me maybe 2 or 3 different shades so I can swatch it and I can actually use it, because when it's not my shade, then it's kind of like just a waste. Like, I can't use it. Okay, so that's really cute, so thank you so much, LA Girl. This is actually really stressful doing this in front of the camera. Okay, so I know what this package is because they have a sticker on the outside. Oh, it is from Buxom, and Buxom, basically, I'm guessing this is a brand new mascara, and it's called Big T's Plumping Mascara. So yeah, this looks really cute. The before and after looks pretty awesome. I love how they're like before and then bombshell, not even before and after, guys. And it came with this cute little envelope. I feel like it's Valentine's Day. And it says, look what it says, guys. Size doesn't matter. Well, this product is basically available. So what I love is that it's got very concise information on it. So this mascara is available on the 29th of March at Cult Beauty, Feel Unique and Debenhams for £18. Pretty awesome. Buxom is just such a cute brand. I absolutely love, like, I feel like they're really fun and they have loads of colour. And one of the things I really like about them is they have these like palettes. You can completely customise yourself, which I think is awesome. Oh, alright, so we have a big box right here. Look at the size of this girl. Okay, so what's in the box? Just had nuts and now I'm choking. Oh my god, guys, can we see this? This is a huge box. This is a huge box. So, I don't know what's in here. Wait, let me see. Oh my. Oh my. Really? Okay. Okay, guys. So in this huge box is this kind of like spaceship thing. And when you open it up, it's got little sponges. Can we see that? Can we see this? It has a black one and a pink one. And let's just have a look at this. Oh, it's kind of like that. So it's kind of like angled and curved at the same time. It's got some information here, guys, as well. Alright, so let's have a look at this. Maybe let's try and make some sense. So this is $15 and it's coming out on the 20th of March. It is by Sigma, in case I didn't say that. I don't know if I did. And it's called the 3D HD Blender by Sigma. So obviously Sigma is famous for their brushes. I'm excited that they've got a sponge. Personally, so it's got here like the double wedge is for contour, the double wedge is for highlight, the curve is for blend, the point is for finishing details. I don't know, this is kind of tricky. Like, it's kind of tricky for me. I feel like I don't understand this so much. I need to maybe play with it a little bit more. Do I need to wet the sponge? No, you don't need to wet this one. That's a bit strange. It says, recommended use. Apply your favorite complexion product with a stippling or blending motion. Okay, I'm so used to using like a wet beauty blender that sometimes I don't know how comfortable I would feel now using like a dry sponge. And I think all the angles and stuff are really good, like especially if you want that like really harsh like contour line underneath there. But usually I like my face to be quite blended, so I'm definitely going to try this out. The only thing I will say, guys, is that I feel like this is huge box. All of this for 2 little sponges. I don't know, guys, I don't know, that's a lot, but the recycling man is gonna love this. He's gonna love this. There's a lot of paper that comes from my house. Alright guys, so next up we have this bag. It is very heavy. I'm holding it with 2 hands because I'm scared it's gonna rip actually. Okay, so this is from a brand called Color Wow. I actually have seen this brand around before. This is a conditioner. We also have a texture and finishing spray. Oh, this looks very bougie. This is a supernatural spray which transforms your texture with amazing humidity proofing powers. I really like the packaging of this. I think this is very cool. Very cool. Then it's also a shampoo. There's quite a lot of products in here, guys. There is a other hairspray. So yeah, it's like a real, like, let me show you the, you see this? It's like a lot in there. These are like full-size products. So yeah, I haven't used any of this before, guys, so I'm definitely gonna try it out and see what I think. When it comes to hair products, I'm actually very fussy. I'm so particular. I've been a hairstylist now for around about 13 years, and just over the years, I've experimented and played with so many different brands, backstage, with clients, on myself, everything. So I'm really fussy. I always look for product quality over anything else because I usually need very quick and effective results. And hair is one of those things that's quite hard because you might have an amazing product, but it might not work on everyone depending on that person's hair texture. And there's just so many hair types and hair textures out there. So you need to know your stuff. So I'm definitely gonna give this a whirl and check it out. I actually need a new shampoo and conditioner, but it's for color treated hair. Yes, I definitely need something for color treated hair. Woo! Okay, so this is by, I just have to say, the way this is packaged is genius, okay? Usually there's like so much padding and stuff, but in here, can you see that plastic? It's just like a cellophane plastic that's just like it sucked everything in. Oh, it's time to post. 1 second, guys. Alright guys, I'm back. I'm so sorry about that. I'm back. I had to, duty called, guys. Duty called. So where was I? Okay, yeah, so I was talking about this product right here. So this is by Revolution, and this is actually Revolution Pro. I have to say, guys, does this palette look kind of familiar to y'all? Do I sense a dupe happening here? So funny, so funny. But I absolutely love these shades. I think that all of these look absolutely stunning, and there's a black in there and some really nice neutrals and some glitters at the bottom. There is also the Revolution Pro. Oh, this is rose gold. Let me try and open this. 1 sec. I have no nails. No. Oh, okay, so this is cute. So this is a highlighting palette, and I believe it is powder. Babe, that is epic. Okay, it's quite nice. It's quite nice. I feel like it kind of dissipated a little bit, but it's okay. But yeah, let's put that back on there. Okay, cute. And then we've also got some of the Foundation Drops foundation. I haven't actually used any of these products before, guys, so this is like first time. So I'm gonna play around. I love trying out new things, but usually what I do is I'll kind of like mix and match, and I'll use it. I am a little bit critical sometimes because I feel like I'll use it, and if I'm not blown away by the first time, I probably won't go back. If I'm a bit like, oh, maybe, then I'll go back to it, you know? So I'm definitely gonna try out these bits. It's getting hot in here, guys, I'm not even gonna lie. All right, we are almost there. Woohoo! So we also have, oh guys, I love this packaging. How beautiful is this? So this is the celebrity favorite Tatti lashes. They got in touch with me. I've never used any of their lashes before. I'm living for this marble effect. I love anything marble, green, palm tree. No way. How cute is this packaging? How cute. I'm so sorry my ring light is being annoying and reflecting everywhere, but can we take a moment, please? How cute is this? So looking at the lashes, they are intense. I'm not gonna lie. Usually when I wear a lash, I go for something really fluffy and soft, but I know that Tatti lashes are very well known. And it says 3D Brazilian hair. I don't know if that's real Brazilian hair. I don't know. There's not much information in here. Wait. It doesn't say. But they look super cute. I think this will be great for a very dramatic makeup look. So maybe if you're going for like something super like intense. All right, so we're gonna pop that back in there. I think that's amazing like packaging. I'm not gonna lie guys, that's just on point. And then we also have this. This is from, in here. It's from Barry M. Yes. So recently, just before I went to LA, I actually went for dinner with Barry M and got to meet their ambassador, the makeup ambassador, Adam Burrell, who looks after Little Mix, and he's so nice, guys. He's so sweet. I got an itch. Yeah, so he's so nice. He's so sweet and so talented. Like, I love what he does with the girls. We got to play with actually some really cute like festival stuff that's coming out for the festival season. But these, oh wow. So these are gonna be the all night long medium coverage foundation sticks, which I kind of like that. And then we also have some full coverage concealers, also called all night long. So I have a few shades. All of the shades in here kind of look like my color. The lid's come off of this. No, it hasn't. Yes, it has. Whoops. What is this? Oh, it's a primer. Okay. Let's put the lid back on. So yeah, I'm intrigued to find out what the full range is. I definitely will check that out. But again, some goodies to play around with. I'm always looking for a good concealer. I love concealer. So I'm gonna try all of that out. So, woo! Alright guys, so that is pretty much most of the things that I received in the short time that I've been away. I'm sure there's another load coming very soon. Usually all my post gets delivered somewhere and then I get that all sent at once. So sometimes I'm not the fastest with post, but I try and get my hands on everything ASAP. So if you enjoyed watching this video, then please give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe. Press that button. Press it now, and don't forget to press that bell right next to it, which gives you notifications every time I post a brand new video. And until then guys, I will see you soon. I hope you enjoyed. See you soon. Bye. It is so hot in here. It's baking. Why is it so hot in here? What am I going to do with all this paper?